Hello, my kindergarten friends. For today's math game, we are going to pretend to be bankers. It's going to be our job to find many different ways to add up these coins. So to start, let's look at them. This coin is called what? Good job, pennies. And what you notice is we have two different sides to a penny. The head side where you can see President Abraham Lincoln's head. And then if you flip it to the other side, tails, where you see the Lincoln Memorial, which we visited when we went on a Google Map field trip. Remember that? So we're going to find many ways to add to this number. But before we do that, we got to know how many pennies we have. So notice how I set them up like I would for in a 10 frame. So let's do the quick way to count them. So we're going to go across and say 5, okay? Ready, set, go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And just to prove it, let's count one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So on the top of my board, I'm going to write 9. And to play this game with me, friends, all you're going to need today is a paper and a pencil. And if you want to play on your own, that you would need those two things too, along with some coins and a cup. Really easy peasy. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to put all of my pennies inside my cup. And we're going to split them up into two groups. So we're going to put it in our cup, we're going to shake it, but not too hard. And we're going to find different ways to add to 9. So I shake it, now I sort it. So I put those that landed on the head side over here, and those that landed on the tail side over here into two groups, because when we add, we're adding up two different groups. One group, two groups. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to write an adding sentence for 9 bankers. So here we go. So in our first group, we have how many? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4. So on the head side, I have 4. I'm going to put that in red. Plus, how many I have on the tail side? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 4 heads and 4 tails coins equals how many do I have all together? We already counted, but we'll double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Many ways to add to 9. Now today, boys and girls, we're going to talk about turnaround facts. So when I do turnaround facts, all I'm doing is I'm switching these two numbers, their order, turning them around, and to find another way to add to 9. Okay, and when I see that, I put my finger out like I'm going to make a siren. I say turnaround fact, woo, to alert you. So what I'm going to do is basically all I'm doing is I'm switching my two groups. So I'm going to put the heads on the other side, tails on the other side. Okay, so watch as I switch the numbers. So this time I'm going to count the heads first, or I'm sorry, the side that landed on the tails first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus, how many do I have on the head side? 1, 2, 3, 4. Equals, how many do we still have all together? Double check, 9, right? And didn't take any away or add any more. So basically, boys and girls, watch this. I'm changing the order. So look, guys. In my first way to add to 9, 4 plus 5 equals 9, the 4 came first. But in my second way, 5 plus 4 equals 9, the 4 comes second. So look, I switched here, okay? And then I switched the places with the 5, and it makes like an X, so I switched those. So in this one, the 5 came as our second number, and this one, the 5 came and it's the first number, so we switched them. That's called a turnaround fact. Say that with me, turnaround fact, woo! Great job. All right, so let's do this again. We put our coins back in our cup. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Okay, shake, 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 dump, and sort. So heads on one side, tails on the other. And hopefully, I'm gonna flip one because I need it to be a different number. Oh wait, no, that was right. Okay, all right. So this time, let's write another number sentence. So again, when we add, we have two groups. One group, two group, and we count how many we have all together. So in our first group, let's see how many we have. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so friends, you're gonna write 6 with me as our first number. So 6. Plus, how many do we have that are tails? Let's count together, friends. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3. Easy peasy. I bet you didn't even have to point and count like I did. So 6 plus 3 equals, how many do we still have all together? 5,000? No? 10 then? No, we better count. We have 6, 7, 8, 9. It didn't change. I was just trying to trick you. So we have 6 here, plus 3 equals 9 all together. Now once again, we're going to do a turnaround fact. So I'm going to switch my sides. So my heads are going to go here. I'm going to turn them around. My tails are going to go on the other side. I'm going to add those first. Okay, so we start off with, in this group, we have 3 this time. So we're going to write 3 plus, how many we have in this group? We have 6. 3 plus 6 equals, how many we still have all together, boys and girls? 9. And let's look at how we changed our numbers. So we had 6 plus 3 equals 9, but then we switched the order, and now this time we have 3 plus 6 equals 9. So let's watch how we switch the order. The 6 came first in this one, but this time it's coming, in this one it's coming second. And then in this example, the 3 came second, but in our second one, it comes first. We just switched the order and we made an X again. See that? So we have a turnaround fact. Woo! So keep finding different ways with your family to add to 9. There's many more.